Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Hyundai Bluelink EV charging schedules, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer Hyundai Bluelink EV charging schedules, begin by ensuring your vehicle's software is up to date. Next, open the Hyundai Bluelink app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the My Car section in the app. Select your EV from the list of vehicles if you have multiple. Look for the Charging Schedule option within the vehicle settings. Tap on Charging Schedule to view your current settings. To transfer a schedule, first, note the existing charge times. Now, go to the main menu and select Remote Services. In the Remote Services section, tap on New Charging Schedule. Enter the charge start time and the desired duration for the charging session. Ensure the time zone settings match your location. You can choose to set a repeating schedule if desired. After entering all necessary information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap Save to implement the new charging schedule. The app will notify you once the schedule has been successfully transferred. You can check the Charging Schedule section to verify the new timings. Make sure your vehicle is connected to a charging station during the scheduled times. Finally, monitor your app for any updates or notifications related to your charging schedule. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.